Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to change Spotify's home screen. So let's dive in. First, open Spotify app on your mobile device and head to your settings. Scroll to find personalized recommendations. If you don't have that option, go ahead and tap on content and display. From here, you can change your content preferences. And if you want fewer podcasts or specific genres, create more custom playlists. Spotify's algorithm will adjust your home screen based on your listening habits. And that's it. Now you know how to change your Spotify's home screen. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.